Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And once again, we will talk about crypto market news and weekly updates. So, hope you are all doing good and you are having a fantastic day. Let's look at the coin market cap. But before that, a quick disclaimer that I'm not your financial advisor and this is not financial advice. So, do your own due diligence, and I'm just sharing my own opinion about the market. And let's check out what has been happening in the crypto space the last week. All right, let's check out the coin market cap quickly. So right now Bitcoin is trading at $41,630, Ethereum at $2,479, and today, let's see once again. Need to refresh the page. So yeah, so the Bitcoin today is up by 2.02%, and Ethereum up by 1.18%. In last 7 days, Bitcoin is actually down by 5.03% and Ethereum down by 3.18%. So Bitcoin has been crashing lately, but anyways, so right now you can see the total market cap is of the crypto market cap is 1.64 trillion US dollars, and 24-hour volume of the entire crypto space is $65.1 billion, which is up by 6.16%, which is good. And Bitcoin dominance is at 49.9%, Ethereum at 18.2%. Fear and greed index is 56, which is neutral, so not so bullish and not so bearish. But yes, we are always bullish, right? Anyways, let's move on. Let's look at the bubbles. So in last 7 days, Pulse Chain, Hex token, and everything around Kevin Hart, everything around this token is pumping, and then Render token is up by 6.2%. ASTR is up by 14%, Tau is up 12%, Chiliz is up 9.9%, and one of my favorite, Chainlink, is up by 7.9%. Blur is up by 9.7%. So market is looking good. One second. All right, now let's check out some of the crypto stories. The first story is coming up from you today. Just give me a moment. All right, I'm getting one call. All right. Okay. So the first story is coming from you today. Shout out to the platform, to this website. So Cardano's kicks off 2024 with major updates and improvement. So all right, things are looking good for Cardano. I've been looking at it lately. So let's see what it says. So Cardano, the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market value, has begun 2024 with a series of updates and releases aimed at improving performance, scalability, interoperability, etc. Example include new Hydra, Marlow, and Lace releases. So there are big development happening in Cardano as always. So obviously I'm an investor in this token, so not a financial advice. Once again, you can do your own research if you are new in the market. So I mean, yeah, so there is something about Cardano, you can check it out, and things are looking good. All right, let's check out the, I mean, I'll link all this resources down in the description of the video, along with all kind of other resources as well, so you guys can check it out. And one more thing, if you guys are listening this on the podcast, on Apple Podcast or Spotify or wherever you get your podcast, then you can always hop on my YouTube channel for the real action, for the visuals obviously. So yeah, let's move on. So the second story is coming up from coinpaprika.com. Shout out to coinpaprika.com. All right, so EU agrees on anti-money laundering AML rules for crypto, but it seems unfair. Okay, well, there, I mean, EU and all, I mean, they have lot of policies, lot of rules, regulation, everything. So let's see what it says. So EU plans new crypto rules for money laundering, requiring identity checks for transaction over 1,000 euros. Concern arise over fairness. Okay. All right. Well, the European Parliament and EU Council have reached a provisional deal on new rules to prevent money laundering in crypto. These rules require crypto companies to check customer identities for transaction over 1,000 euros. All right, so if you go beyond $1,000, they'll do a proper, check. Okay, well, I guess I mean, maybe it's there would be a limit or something like that, or some clauses. We'll have to check out separately. Maybe if you guys can reach out on social media or something, I can, or you can let me know in the comment section. I can create a separate video dedicated only for the crypto policies across the globe for 2024. I can do that if you guys can leave a review, comment, or hit me up on social media, Twitter, especially on Instagram. Anyways, let's move on. So the crypto industry is worried these new EU rules might be tougher than those for traditional banks. The rules are part of larger anti-money laundering regulations that includes customer verification and other safeguards. All right, well, which is good, right? It should be like that. I mean, I'm not saying it should be exactly like that, but we are all up for rules and regulation for the scalability of the whole space. It should be safe enough for it should be easy and safe enough for a layman to be a part of this ecosystem, to be the part of this industry and take benefit, in my opinion. You guys can let me know. And this is obvious, right? And lately the TradFi people are hopping into crypto in a big way. If you guys remember the recent ETF craze. So yeah, let's move on. So this third story is coming up from the same Coin Paprika. Now Ripple pitches XRP Ledger to major investment firm Franklin Templeton. Okay, I've been looking at one of the video from Ripple's founder. They are also going crazy, man. You have to keep your eye on it. Not a financial advice, although I'm I have a good bag in XRP. So a Ripple CTO pitches XRP Ledger to Franklin Templeton, highlighting its efficiency and potential. And amid growing crypto interest, David Scords, the CTO of Ripple, has promoted XRP Ledger to Franklin Templeton, a big asset management company. Well, who doesn't know Franklin Templeton, one of the big asset managers? So this comes as many traditional finance companies are showing interest in cryptocurrency, like I said, and Swords responded to Franklin Templeton post about their interest in Ethereum and Solana. Okay, so suggesting that they also consider XRP. Well, that's good. overall. Well, I mean, I have some biased thoughts about XRP always, mm, but I mean, because of many reasons, right? Scalability and the decentralized, like how decentralized it is, the private holdings and all. But hey, if you dig deeper, you'll know everything, at least. So anyways, so XRP created in, Franklin Templeton has previously shown interest in blockchain technology. The firm also, okay, well, I mean, there are a couple of company, especially around collaboration and partnership. I look for Ripple and Matic. The Polygon is big in collaboration, so you guys can keep an eye on both. All right, let's move on to the fourth story coming up from bitcoinsystemy.com. So it says sudden decline in Bitcoin price. Here is the reason for the drop. Okay, well, maybe if you guys are connected to me or to my Telegram or something, my social, maybe you guys are already aware that the reason behind the Bitcoin decline. But anyways, let's go. Let's check out this story. There has been a sudden decline in Bitcoin price in recent hours. The real reason for the decline was revealed when on-chain data was examined. Okay. In recent development, FOMO Chain, a cryptocurrency analysis company, reported a significant event that caused volatility in Bitcoin market. Okay, what is it, man? According to the analysis company's statement, a mysterious whale sent this much 11,739 Bitcoin worth 490.45 million US dollars to the cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase. Okay. Following the transfer, the Bitcoin price immediately dropped by 1.22%. Although the transfer of Bitcoin currency often means sales, it does not know what transaction this whale made. Yeah. Okay. Well, there are other reasons as well, But anyways, this is a valid reason when someone is putting a lot of tokens, a lot of coins to the exchange, which I mean, mostly it means they're dumping their bags for sale. All right, maybe some other signals as well. Yeah. Let's move on to the next story coming up from finbold.com. So investment giant backs ETH and SOL after Bitcoin ETF launch, which is pretty much obvious in my opinion. Franklin Templeton, okay, we have already gone through it, but they were interested in Ripple. But let's see. Franklin Templeton is a global investment firm, recently launched one of the new Bitcoin ETF in the United States. Probably notably, the company added a laser eye in the profile. Okay, laser eyes. Okay, demonstrating full support and commitment to Bitcoin. However, further action raised criticism of the tribe called Bitcoin Maximalist. Okay, well, I like this writer, Vincius Barbosa. I'm so sorry if I'm butchering this name. Well. So moreover, Franklin Templeton also mentioned a massive potential for other layer ones blockchain beside Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana, mentioning they would be monitoring and supporting this network as they grow and mature. Why not, man? Why not? Let's move on. This another from the same Bitcoin system. BlackRock made a new Bitcoin purchase. How much BTC is he holding? They holding, I guess. Or the company holding. Okay, let's see. So BlackRock purchased approximately 10,000 more BTC. Okay, that's a big number. So BlackRock, whose spot Bitcoin ETF application was approved, purchased approximately 10,000 more BTC. With this latest, why is calling his, man? With his latest purchase. Let me know if it is wrong or right. I mean, obviously it is wrong. With their latest purchase, BlackRock is a company, not a guy. With his latest purchase, the amount of BTC he holds for the spot is increased to 25,067 Bitcoin. Okay, nice, man. They are filling up their bags for the $1 million Bitcoin in coming, let's say, decade. Not decade, 5-6 years. Another one is from coinedition.com. SEC versus Coinbase. Federal judge says tokens are not securities. Alright, tokens are not securities. So SEC argues the Coinbase has created a deviated form of the original Howey test. Are you guys aware about Howey test? Let me know in the comment section. If not, I mean, you can check out other videos, or you can just Google it, man. It is one of the a famous term in financial markets, in the security market. So the SEC argues that Coinbase has created a deviated form of the original Howey test, which Coinbase denies. Judge Fala remains unsatisfied with the SEC statement and demands a clearer definition of security. Well, they are not yet confirmed, clear about the basic definition of securities. The judge, the SEC, come on. Lawyer Bill Morgan sees this development as a green signal towards the United States classification of cryptocurrency as non-securities. All right. The legal brawl between the SEC and crypto exchanges took a new turn in the recent hearing, where United States Judge Catherine Polk Fala cross-examined the regulator. The judge remained unsatisfied with the SEC's statement against Coinbase, and XRP advocates Bill Morgan believes this is a sign that cryptocurrency will eventually be acknowledged as non-security in the United States. That if it happens, guess what? To the moon, guys. To the moon. All right, you can check out. You can read the later part. I just gave you the basic introduction. Like I said, I'll put all the resources down in the description. You guys can check it out. Also, there will be some exchange affiliate links. So, quick disclaimer. I mean, obviously, I'll get a kickback if you guys will register through my affiliate links down in the description. So, anyways, but yes, you will get some good reward as well. So, highly suggest you, highly recommend you check it out. Check out those links in the description. Anyways, let's move on to the next stories coming up from Crypto Globe. So, Crypto Capital venture founder first seizes potential mega altcoin run led by Cardano. Well, if you guys check out the crypto verse, you'll see every single day at least there will be like 10-20 news, especially for XRP and Cardano. I don't know how, I don't know why. You guys let me know in the description. I mean, I know the potential of XRP army as well, especially the ADA army, Cardano army. But man, they're pumping like every single day. There are a lot of news stories, especially at least 10-20 around Cardano and XRP. Maybe I'm noticing it, you guys are not. Let me know. But anyways, let's see. Dan Gambardella, the founder of crypto capital venture, has recently revealed he is optimistic about a potential surge in altcoins in the near future, basing his positive outlook on a favorable outcome for Coinbase in its ongoing legal battle with US Securities and Exchange Commission. So yeah, obviously altcoin will shoot up. You can check out the rest of the story below. So another one is from Coin Edition as well. US presidential candidate pushes crypto bill of rights proposal, gains support from Cardano founder. Okay, who is that? Who is that president? Cardano founder. Okay, yeah, Vivek Ramaswamy. I mean, I like this guy. Is like, I've heard a lot of his speeches, recent speeches when he was like he's running for the president. So he's doing a lot of campaigns. You guys can check it out. He's a very bold, confident guy. Not sure like if he can be a good president or not, but yeah. So Cardano founder has signaled his approval of the crypto bill of rights proposed by Vivek Ramaswamy. Ramaswamy plans, by the way, he's I guess he's from Sri Lanka or from India. I think Sri Lanka. Yeah, a big entrepreneur. So Ramaswamy plans to ensure that regulators will only enforce crypto policies explicitly adopted by Congress. Okay. The Republican Party presidential candidate believes most crypto assets should be classified as commodities. Well, okay. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has signaled his approval of the crypto bill of rights. I like this name. Proposed by Vivek Ramaswamy, former Republican presidential candidate in the forthcoming US election. A crypto lawyer proposing as Meta Lawman on X shared a summary of Ramaswamy position. Okay. I guess this is good, right? Again, for the overall industry. You guys can let me know. I mean, you guys can check it out more and verify. So let's move on. Another one is again from Coin Paprika. So the story says hackers attempt to steal over 15 billion in XRP from Bitfinex fails. Okay. I mean, there's been a lot of issues from BitMEX, Bitfinex, and all these exchanges. So let's see what happens on 15th of January. I mean, I'm covering the last 1 week story, so I'll have to go through it as well. Let's see. Bitfinex CEO reveals failed a hacking attempt using XRP Ledger, nearly 15 billion in XRP targeted. Okay, using XRP Ledger. Okay. It was recently revealed by the CEO of Bitfinex, Paolo, that there was an attempt to exploit their system using a feature of XRP Ledger network. The hackers attempt to move nearly 15 billion in XRP. Half of XRP's total value was noticed. However, the attempt was unsuccessful, and the actual transaction was just a few cents of XRP. The attempt failed because the sender didn't have enough money to carry out the transactions. Okay, the aim was likely to trick Bitfinex into thinking the transfer was real, which could lead to a hack. Bitfinex systems recognized the transfer as a partial payment, the feature in XRP Ledger where payments can be reduced. Okay, you guys need to, funds are not Safu. Just kidding. I mean, there are a lot of hack attempts in crypto as usual, nothing new. But yes, I mean, on this I can say my personal opinion and suggestion is, you guys you should not keep a lot of funds on your exchanges. I always say, and I always prefer hardware wallets. If you can't afford, you can go for some good wallets, or some good hot wallets as well, which is some of that I use is Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and yeah. And for the hardware wallets, you can check out the link in the description. You'll get some good discount. I prefer Ledger, and you guys can also check out Treasure, which is one of the oldest and one of the widely used in the industry, the standard, you can say. Anyways, check out the link in the description. Highly recommend. don't keep your funds, a lot of funds on exchanges. You can just keep it when you need them for trading and leverage and all, but you don't have to keep a lot of funds on centralized exchanges. Anyways, let's move on. So the last story is coming up from dailyhodl.com. Shout out to Daily Hodl. So let's see. JP Morgan, Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup risk losing. Okay, I'll have to see. I guess 24 trillion as number of troubled loan erupt. Okay. Optimism in the US banking industry is being threatened by growing pile of bad loans, putting pressure on the sector biggest player. Well, not only the banks, man. I mean, the whole US is. I mean, have you guys seen that US debt chart? I mean, this is that is crazy, man. You just go Google it. So United States is under a lot of like trillions of dollars under debt, and yeah, anyways, short the dollar. No, I'm not saying that. Anyways, so Bloomberg analysts say non-performing loans or loans to debtors that haven't made a payment in over 90 days rose to a combined 24 billion in the last quarter of 2023 for JP Morgan Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup, reports financial. I mean, yeah, obviously they must be having some bad debt, bad loans, says the IMF insider. All right, you can check out more. I'll just put this link in the description. So I mean, TradFi is moving crazy in the crypto and DeFi. So yeah, I mean, I'm not concerned about the banks. Like, bankless. Let's go bankless. Anyways, I include a little bit of fun in between. Don't take it seriously. I'm just a guy sitting in my basement recording this video. So nothing was a financial advice. I'm just, just reading the news for my own sake. Also, maybe in between I can throw some golden nuggets, or I can say any kind of valuable information. And if you find anything good and you want me to keep doing this, just hit like, share, subscribe, just support me, and yeah, we'll grow together, isn't it? Also, just check out my social. Here is my, okay, no, there's my Twitter, IMSNUP, and you can hit me on Instagram as well. Let's check out some charts, shall we? So here, like, I'm not a TA guy, not a technical analyst, but obviously I do check out charts here and there whenever I take any entry. So Bitcoin, let's see, the total market cap is $1.59 trillion. So the recent resistance is $1.64 trillion, and let's see the 4 hour. So it is dropping, man. No, it is going sideways. I'm sorry. So the total market cap is going sideways. There was a dump lately, couple of days ago. So and now we can again touch $1.55 trillion based on the volume and other major indicators. But let's see. You guys need to keep a good eye on your stop loss and your entries, exits if you're playing with margins. Although I never recommend anyone to burn their hands with leverage trading. But if you guys are that crazy, you can go for it. But I mean, I've done that, obviously, that's why I'm saying that, but there is no point in my opinion. No, I would not say no point, but it's not for me. You know, you can do it. I've seen that. I've tried a lot of strategies, but you know, here and there you can play around, you know, based on if you are very sure about, or there is a news or something, you know, once in a while, once in a blue moon. But if you are like playing around it and, you know, going crazy like 50x 125x on leverage, for sure you'll be wrecked, man. For sure you'll lose money. And I've never seen anyone like, if someone is playing, I mean, also there is a big part of money management also. And yeah, again, my suggestion always is to hodl. You can play around with some good swing trades on top, let's say top 20, top 30 crypto coins, you know, and just keep hodling, keep doing DCA. That's one of my favorite strategy. And if you guys want me to do a proper segment over it, I have done a proper research on it, and that's why it is one of my favorite strategy, because I've back tested it in other markets as well, forex, in Indian markets as well. So it does work if you have a good understanding of the fundamentals. So you cannot ignore fundamentals again. So yeah, now let's check out total 2, which is total market cap excluding Bitcoin. It is again down on the daily chart. The close support is at $700 billion. It is at $777 billion. So it also went down. So it means the altcoins, if you consider Ethereum as altcoin, yeah. So I mean, it can push here till $814 billion, which would be good. And the recent high was $840 billion. So anytime it can touch it. But you guys need to beware that it can also go down till $710 billion, which means Bitcoin will go sideways, or it will go up, but altcoin will be wrecked. Yeah, you know, again, don't play with those all, you know, tokens having market rank of 3,000, 5,000. I mean, if you're sure, then you can do it. So again, not a financial advice, or I'm not suggesting you to do anything. You know, do whatever the hell you want. It's your money. You know, just do whatever you want. But like I've been to crypto since 2015 and 2016 properly. I have never done such kind of you know, craziness. So that's what I'm suggesting. Whatever I've done, I'm just giving you my honest suggestion. You can take it and move on, or move on. But yes, I mean, like, if you're that good, you can do whatever you want. But for the newbies, I only suggest, man, just look at top 10, top 5. That's it. Or even like do some 50-20-30 ratio, something like that. Like put your massive backs in BTC and Ethereum, then you can look for anything else. But I've seen a lot of people coming in the markets, and they're just like, hey man, I'm into crypto, I got this token. I just asked them, okay, what is it? I've never heard of it. And I asked them, what is the rank of this token, and let's say what is the market cap of this token, and it's like couple of, you know, $100,000, and it's like standing around 4,000 in the token rank on coin market cap. Well, what's the point, man? You'll eventually lose, or maybe like you're gambling. I mean, and most of the people are looking at the price of the token, the coin, which is again not a valid thing to look when you are into investing or into trading. You need to look at market cap. You need to look at the fundamentals. What is it? You know, just like any stock or any stock in TradFi. But anyway, there are some basics of investing and also some basics of trading as well. I'm not big into trading, but I'm into investing for the long haul. Anyways, let's check out the total 3, which is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is proper altcoin. So the altcoin is pumping recently. No, it was dropping recently, but there is a quick up wick, and it is at $478 billion. So we can touch $500 billion like very soon, or we can go down at $450 billion. If Bitcoin pumps upward till like more than $50,000, then you can see altcoin market will drag. It will go down, or either go down or it will go sideways. And that's how the basic relativity between the Bitcoin and other market tokens coin. Let's check out let's check out the traditional market as well. The Indian Sensex BSE market is 71,722, and I've done a little bit of DCA in some big ETF that I hold in Sensex and NSE market, like Indian markets. I do here and there. I play around. Bank Nifty. Let's check out this S&P 500, which is one of the important ones. So it is pumping hard, I guess, all-time high. S&P 500 4,839.82 points. That's good. US market is up. Where is Nasdaq? Nasdaq. Okay, this is Nasdaq. Nasdaq is 17,314. It is also touching all-time high, up today, yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4 days straight up. Bullish. Nice. Let's check out Ethereum as well. Where is Ethereum, man? You can't go away, Ethereum. Where are you? I mean, these are, if you guys are looking here, these are some of my favorite tokens, by the way. I'm not suggesting, but these are the one I look every single day, every single like hour usually in my office, whenever I'm checking out. So let's see, Ethereum, ETH, USDT. Let's see on Binance. Okay, Ethereum went down, is trading at $2,490. It can pretty much touch if it like 2,140 recently, and or for the long term, if Bitcoin will pump hard, it can go till here, touch the major resistance will be $3,543, and in the downside it can touch $1,522. So you'll have to check, and you'll have to play accordingly. Sorry. All right. So there are other token as well. I also check out the US market, especially the top 10 stocks. So I'm not including in this section. If you guys want me to do like focus on the traditional markets, then also I can do that. But hey, let's move on. So this was today's session. I'm so sorry if you think it is long. It was long. So this is my Instagram @IMSNUP. You guys can just hit me up anytime with all kind of your queries. I'm like always available on socials. And this is my Twitter. Twitter is one of my favorite platform. I spend a lot of time on Twitter. So this is my Twitter, you guys can check it out. Again, the same handle at IMSNUP. All right guys, so for the podcast people, hop onto my YouTube channel. You'll like it. You'll get some good visuals as well. And I'm like, this is the first video of 2024, and I'm planning to make, I'm planning to be more consistent, provide some, good quality in terms of lightning, and other equipments, add other equipments as well. Also, there are some collaborations with other folks for the podcast especially. And yeah, I have some good content lined up. So guys, thanks for watching this video and listening to this podcast. Please like, comment, and share this video with your friends, and take care. Bye bye. Until then, peace out. Bye bye.